So do I want to make him choose the tiles, or do I want to make him choose the target? Tactics Ogre actually highlight the tiles when selecting the target. So I think it's good to indicate the area that you can actually attack. So let's make another tile that's, let's go to sort and let's make another tile. Stage get tile. So go to tile component. So tile component would have another A-plane. It's very similar to this one, but it's a different color. And it's not class, it's an attack target. And doesn't really specify the color. So color is, I would just say red, and opacity 0.5. So attach target, attack target. So I would highlight the attack target tile that is within the range. Okay, so choose weapon menu. Then that will be the stage class. Stage highlight attack target tiles, meaning unit and range. He knows. Okay, so this is good. So I'm just going to pass the weapon and let that method calculate everything. Okay, so let's go to the stage class. Highlight attack target tiles. It's a void. Const attack target tiles is find attack target tiles. Okay, and attack target for each element visible true. Instead of class highlight, it's attack target. Target element attack unknown, right? Attack target and set visible at true. Okay, so let's use const find attack target tiles. Sure, find find attack target tiles, array of tile. Genius. This tiles. Filter tile. Right. Okay, so if tile position. So I'm going to compare the position of two dots, which is the unit position and then the tile position. And what was the method to get the distance between 2 points in 3JS? Yes, so this is it. Back 1 to back 2. So I think this is it. Distance position. Const distance is, back 1 and back 2. So back 1 is unit position and back 2 is target position, tile position. If distance is less than or equal to weapon range, length instead of if, just return it. So if this guy wants to attack with the sword, unit position distance 2 is not a function. Okay, so distance 2, so it should be a unit position. So unit position, well, I would just say attack origin is kill the process, and pm install 3. I think I have successfully installed 3.js on attack clicked, and it looks like it succeeded to get the tiles, isn't it? Find attack target tiles. Let's console it. Console.log attack target tiles, attack target tiles. Huh? What is it doing? Okay, so attack target tiles. Yeah, that's it. That's all I want to highlight. Let's attack. Let's get the sword ready. Attack target tiles 0. Right, so it's returning some targets, but it's failing with the calculation. Find attack target tiles. So attack target tiles. So vector 3, I think it looks like it's working. So distance. Let's console log it. Console.log distance. Well, it's gonna output what the 200 tiles, so 200 distances, right? But I'm just gonna do it. So sword, click sword, distance, not a number. Okay, that's good. Also, I should give him 3 numbers then. Position X and you need position Y and Y and unit position Z, and it's the same thing, tile position X and tile position Y. So this is how you're supposed to do. And then sword, get the number. Okay, that's great. So it's trying to highlight things, right? That's perfect. So let's choose attack, sword. Okay, so it's highlighting a few tiles. Well, one. Okay, so I think this is a success. It's actually highlighting the very tile that you're sitting on, and then also the tile that's next to you, and then it's showing up purple because it's water, and then the tile in front of you is actually further away because it is higher. It's in the higher position. So your position, well, if the length is 1, then yeah, you get to only reach 1. So a step or 25 centimeters higher than yourself, you can't reach. So but I want to make it possible. How should I calculate that? Okay, well, I think what I can do is just double it, just double the number, or add like length of your arm to get the precise length. Because if a sword is a meter long, which is actually true, like a sword, well, basically katana is about like 110 centimeters long. So if you only think of the part of the blade, it's like 90 centimeters. So well, sword to be 1 meter is okay. And I think, yeah, you can just add the length of the arm, which is what, 2 feet. So in order to check that length plus 0.6 meters. So that will give you like 60 centimeters more. So you can actually have sword. Yes, but then again, yes. So this will allow you to reach to the tile that's like that's not in front of you, but in like on the side, or you like in front, going diagonally. And I don't like that actually. Maybe I should calculate that the same way I do calculate the move path. No. Is it possible to attack the character that's on diagonal position? Let's see. So, very tricky. Or should I just not consider the height difference? Or maybe I will consider the height difference just in the different manner. Okay, I will just do that. So, okay, instead of adding 0.6, it's just compare that to length, but I would just give y, it's a y up, right? So y to 0 for both of them. Y is 0, so it will actually calculate, the distance, and then not considering the height difference. Yes, so this is exactly what I want. And let's not consider the one that you're in. So if distance equal to 0, return false. So it only takes the tile that's not what you're sitting on. Okay, right. So this is it. So this is the expected behavior